Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.59. Problem states that find resistance RAB in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find resistance between these 2 points labeled as RAB. Before starting the solution of this problem, if we observe points A and B are being short circuited through this path of the circuit. Inside this path, no resistance exists. So we can say that point A and B are short circuited in this circuit, and we know that the resistance of a short circuit is 0 ohm. So the value of RAB inside this network will be 0 ohm. This was exercise problem number 2.59. Thank you. See you again in next video.